Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the laptop batteries and how to use the laptops properly so that we do not encounter battery issues more often. Okay, let's get started. First things first, the laptop gets heated for long periods of time, your battery condition will worsen. Now, to prevent laptop overheating, the simplest way is to use a board and keep the laptop on it so that there's some space in between the laptop base and the board. This will keep the air flowing. With this board, you can use the laptop anywhere, on the bed or your lap. Secondly, there are pre-installed softwares like Dell Power Manager Lite in the Dell laptops, which changes the complete perspective about batteries. I'd like to tell you about this software first, and then let's proceed and find other softwares to help other manufacturer laptops also. Sometimes, something to note is that all batteries have a lifespan and they can be charged and discharged only up till that number. It's called life cycle of a battery, which means one complete charge and discharge of a battery. Now, getting back to the software. This software can stop these cycles. Once we open this software and click custom, now we can set our own charge percentages. Now, if I set the top one to 65%, it means that if the battery is less than 65%, then only it will charge the battery. Now, if I set the lower one to 85%, it means that when it starts charging less than 65%, it will charge only up till 85%. Now, what if the battery is in between 65% and 85%? Simple, it's not going to charge the laptop at all. So, we need to keep a laptop plugged in like a desktop, and we will save those precious life cycles of the battery. This can be done, of course, only when we are at home. Outside, we can go ahead and use the laptop without charging. Thus, we end up saving some life cycles which can be used when they are absolutely necessary. Try this out if you have a Dell laptop, and if you're using any other manufacturer laptop, then chances are you got a similar software running on your laptop which you have ignored. It usually comes bundled with the laptop. So now that you know about it, you can power it on and save those precious life cycles. You should probably go to your manufacturer's website and download the software from there. For Dell, it's called Dell Power Manager Lite. For HP, it's called HP AC Power Utility Control. And for other manufacturers, I've also heard that in some of the Acer manufacturers, they give a software wherein they completely disconnect the battery from the laptop and take the charge through AC only. So if you have such a software which can do that completely disconnects the battery, that's amazing. You are saving enormous life cycles. So from now on, you can easily save those precious life cycles, and it should push your battery replacement period by a year or so if you conserve many life cycles. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and do check out my other videos. If you're a human, then consider subscribing to my channel. Also, thumbs up if you like it and boo if you didn't. Comment and let me know what your manufacturer named their software, and I'll pin your comments for everyone. See you again. Take care.